So hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today po, I'm gonna teach you how to organize your email, create labels, and forward those emails directly to the labels that you've created. Especially guys, those emails na hindi naman masyadong importante that you want to forward it to another labels na hindi dumadaan sa inbox nyo. So I'm gonna teach you how. Let's go. So here is my email. So all you need to do is go to your settings, see all settings, then you will see your labels. You can create labels first. So let's create a label. I have WordPress. So titlean ko siya ng WordPress. And then create ako. And then let's go back sa inbox ko. Here I have message from WordPress. All I need to do is to copy this email address, Control C, and then go back sa settings, see all settings, and then please go here sa filters and black addresses. So you just need to click create new level filters. Dito nyo i-paste yung email address, Control V. So just click create filters. And then meron siyang magpa-pop out na different page. So, dito na mamimili kayo if you want to skip yung email sa inbox nyo, mark as read, started. So, pwede nyo ring i-delete. Ayan, pwede nyo spam or ano, whatever yung gusto nyo. So, in my case, I want to skip this sa email ko. And then, I will click this apply the labels. And then, I will choose WordPress. So, I need to click this create filters. So, yun na yun siya. So, every time, guys, every time na may ma-receive akong email galing kay WordPress, automatic siya, pupunta siya dito sa labels na WordPress. So, yung mga older emails, so, pwede mo siyang imano-mano na i-drag sa WordPress, ganun. Kasi hindi mo na siya ma-forward talaga. So, yun lang. Thank you so much and try subscribing to my YouTube channel po. Thank you.